Catalyst Studios is a makerspace for our students at the university. We have a fabrication space. We also have a virtual reality studio and media making. So we have a green screen room and a podcasting room.
You have so much space out there. But yeah.
And we also have a data visualization studio here.
We have all the materials required for you, and we also have tons of friendly staff that are here to support you every step of the way.
These are dual theater printers that will...
A lot of people think that we're like a lab or we're like very specific for a certain major, and like I want everybody to know like we're here for everybody. It doesn't even matter if you're a student at the U of A, like we're here for everybody.
And so even if you just have a vague concept of something you might want to try someday, we like to be the resource on campus for people to bring their ideas to life.
So we have students 3D printing projects for their engineering classes, for example. We have theater students recording monologues in our green screen studio. We have a lot of podcasting. And we have a lot of VR development happening around campus, and we try to be a place where people can work on those projects, but also use our VR headsets to view them.
We call it like the bubble, and people like step right outside and look at us through the window, and I'll come right up to them and be like, hey, come in, like, do you want a tour? Do you want to like learn something? I'm a business major, I'm studying management information systems, and something that I get to go over a lot is like production and how things are made. So I've gotten to use my skills at Catalyst to make prototypes. Also, I make phone charms like as a side hustle, and I laser cut all my phone charms. Like I would have never touched a laser cutter 3 years ago, but like I see it now and I'm like, oh, that's actually really easy and everybody should know how to use it.
It's kind of a no-brainer to call it a maker space, because everything you do here, you take ideas and make them real. It works very well for faculty. I'm kind of a living poster boy for that. I bring my students over here for a number of different projects. But then the green screen room finally opened up, and it afforded my students who take screen acting a chance to experience a different way of working on camera. It's the best of both worlds. An actor can work in a very sort of concentrated, focused space here, and their work can then be seen by their peers as it would appear on screen. This is absolutely the lab you need to take your curriculum further than you can in your classroom.
We like to have some activities that are a lot more hands-on and easily accessible to people without having like a lot of knowledge about 3D printers or laser cutters or anything like that. So an example of something easy that people really like to do is using the button maker. You get to create your own little design, and it's like a two-step process, super easy to pick up.
And if someone feels really nervous about using the equipment, we'll give them a short tutorial or we'll sign them up for an orientation. Libraries have always been a place of knowledge creation. So when we open these spaces, we are still thinking about supporting knowledge production. And there are new ways of participating. And so the Makerspace is also a place where people connect with one another, where they get new ideas. And so we're trying to, as a university, I think, foster the whole person.
Every day you get to meet lots of really cool creative people who are working on their passion projects, and it's so much fun to see the development from an idea all the way up to execution. It's a place where if you've ever had a crazy idea but had no idea how to execute it, this is the place to be.
I love making things, but I think Catalyst has shown me that I didn't have to like limit myself.